Just did some detailing on the 55 Chevy. Waxed her all up. All ready for the next car show. This car was painted in 1996. So it's a 28-year-old paint job. And it's never been washed. Never seen rain. Sure is nice to have the garage and the hoist. You can raise it, lower it, detail it as needed. There's a trophy I won a couple of years ago for most original. I entered it in one car show and I won as most original. (1955) Chevy Belair. I have the battery tender on, AGM battery, replica of a 50s style battery. I haven't detailed the engine compartment yet, but that's a 1955 265 V8, power steering, power drum brakes, oil bath, air filter, and canister type oil filter. The chrome valve covers are not original, but I have a set of original orange ones that I will eventually put on to make it fully original. Yeah, I must say it's in nice shape. All the gaps are nice and even. The guy I bought it from, his name was Joe Percy, and I must say he did a great job restoring it. Took him 6 years, but nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Sometimes I can't believe I own it. Got the 3-inch whitewalls out of South Carolina, were ordered. Had the cokers on before, but these are still belted radials, so they ride nicer and they handle nicer. That's my baby, in nice shape. Hope you enjoyed the video.